We are the Bureau of Household Goods and Services, or BHGS. We protect California consumers by regulating industries that are part of your everyday life. Have you ever hired a household mover? Gotten your phone fixed? What about having bought a sofa? Well, all of those are regulated by us. BHGS oversees licensing and enforcement in 5 different areas: household moving, electronic and appliance repair, service contracts and extended warranties, upholstered furniture and bedding, and thermal insulation. Before you hire a business in any of these industries, visit our website to check if they have an active license. Household moving. We ensure that household movers follow laws and regulations protecting consumers. Businesses that move household goods within California need to be licensed by us. For moves into and out of California, these movers need to be registered with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, or FMCSA. Electronic and appliance repair. We also license businesses in California that repair or service electronics or major home appliances. This includes televisions, personal computers, phones, refrigerators, washers, dryers, and more. Service contracts and extended warranties. BHGS reviews all service contracts so that they meet California's consumer protection requirements. Anyone who sells or issues service contracts in California must be licensed by us. Upholstered furniture and bedding. Businesses that wholesale, retail, sanitize, manufacture, or import upholstered furniture and bedding must be licensed by us. BHGS reviews items such as sofas, chairs, mattresses, bed pillows, and more for proper labeling. We also conduct tests to ensure that they're as advertised and meet flammability standards. Thermal insulation. BHGS is responsible for making sure that thermal insulation products sold in California perform at the level stated by the manufacturer. Thermal insulation manufacturers also need to be licensed by us. By regulating these key areas, the Bureau of Household Goods and Services protects Californians in their everyday lives. You can find more information about us on our website at bhgs.dca.ca.gov, where you can check a license, contact us, apply for a license, file a complaint, and more. Thanks for watching.